When governments tell us, for instance, that we are part of one nation, or when our parents tell us that we are their children, or when their religions tell us that we will belong to them if we do particular things, or when, for instance, our companies tell us that we are workers who are good workers if we do certain things. All of these narratives, all of these images, people who do critical discourse analysis would argue need to be looked at both in themselves, but always also by looking at the gaze behind them. Because not everything that is said is objective, and not every narrative that is circulated or image that is shown shows the interests of all people equally. They argue that narratives and images are normally produced by a particular group or particular individuals who have very specific interests, and that their interests is that everyone else shares the same story as them, so that the producer of that narrative might benefit from people having that story. Idealists would say that colonial experience, for example, or colonization, tried to do this by teaching people who were colonized that they were not at the same level as their colonizers, that they were either morally or intellectually inferior, and that for the colonizers to continue to have power in that place that they had colonized, those people had to believe in that.